As Dr. Mick Kirsten mentioned this morning, the book Team Topologies, Organizing Business and Technology Teams for Fast Flow by Matthew Skelton and Manuel Pais has been such an important book for technology leadership. It has given us a language to talk about the design of organizational structures and gives us such terms as cognitive load as something we must specifically design our teams around. It gave us the 4 types of team structures, such as stream-aligned teams, enabling platforms, complicated subsystem teams, and platform teams. I think this is such an important book for our profession, and congratulations to both Matthew and Manuel for writing it. So in this presentation, they will be talking about something that they've been working on, focused on the structure and dynamics of remote work, something made necessary for all of us because of the global pandemic. Here is Matthew and Manuel.
Hi, I'm Matthew Skelton.
And I'm Manuel Pais. We are the co-authors of the book Team Topologies, and we're thrilled to be back at DevOps Enterprise Summit to share some more team-first insights with you.
The past 2 years have been tough for many organizations as they struggled with remote-first ways of working. And this is partly why we recently wrote the Remote Team Interactions Workbook, published by IT Revolution.
The Remote Team Interactions Workbook takes the ideas from Team Topologies and applies them in a remote-first context. As the name suggests, the workbook encourages you, the reader, to apply the ideas in your own organization using the exercises and templates provided.
For this talk today, we decided to simulate the use of the Remote Team Interactions Workbook. Manuel and I will play fictional characters at a fictional travel company called Footprint. They are struggling with remote working, but discover the Remote Team Interactions Workbook and decide to apply some of the ideas.
See if you can tell who is who under the makeup and disguises.
Okay, so what do I need to do today? Let me fire up my task list and see what I've got to do. So here we go. What's going on? So, this is already done. We've migrated the foobar to the new cloud environment. That's fine. And Sam is doing the new deployment pipeline configuration. That's fine. What's this? New database in the cloud environment for waypoints. This is the one for me. I'll add myself there. Yeah, it sounds like about size 3. That's not a problem. What are the details? We need 10 times scalability. Can the infrastructure platform or database teams help? Yeah, that would be nice, wouldn't it? I don't really know about how to configure this new database in the cloud environment. Okay, well, sounds fine. We've hit our WIP limit of 2 out of 2 for the doing, but that's okay. This sounds like it's small enough. Where can I find out how to make this happen? Well, let's have a look in Slack now. Which of these channels do I need to go into? Is it the infrastructure team? Is it the database team? Is it a now platform team? I don't know. What have we got? Architecture, Cassandra, data design forum, data import, hold, databases, discuss. Is this it? DB permissions. What's this for? Diagnose database permissions used. No, it's not that. Kubernetes. I have no idea which channel it's in. What can we do? Can we go to data design, database, this data? This is annoying. How do we find out where we can get some help from? Database, channels, databases, design. No. What am I supposed to do? Where do we find this stuff out? What else can we search for? Database, DB, database. Let's have a look, 2 channels. Well, what's this? DB provisioning, provision databases, Pluto requests. Why is it called Pluto requests? Why is the channel called Pluto requests when it's all about database provisioning? Join. Let's see what happens in here. Hi, I am working on walking tours. I need to provision a new cloud database. Can you help? I should spell it properly. Let's see what happens. Okay. I mean, it would be kind of cool if the name of the Slack channel was a bit more, descriptive. Maybe I can send them some details about this book that I've just been reading, this Remote Team Interactions Workbook. Where's that channel gone again? By the way, it would be great to have a channel name that is a bit more linked to DB provisioning. Big smile. Check out this check out this new book I have picked up recently. Posting Project It has some useful tips on channel naming. Let's see what else, because I've got the copy somewhere here. Where is the bit that I was going to be? Here we go. Team focus conventions for chat tools. This is the bit that I remember from before. Page 34. Let's go down to page 34. Find that. Page 34. Here we go. This is the bit I was. Team focus conventions for chat tools. Just get back to those folks in here and put a suggestion here. See page 34 in particular. We've got all this stuff here about like platform team data, platform team. So what we could do is, example, a channel could be called like this: platform team database provisioning. Let's see what they say.
Pause. What's happening here? The channel names in Slack chat were not intuitive, making it difficult for the person in the Streamline team to find the right channel for the database provisioning team. This is an example of where poor design of the online space adds to team cognitive load. Luckily, the engineer had read the Remote Team Interactions workbook and so suggested that the channel be renamed based on the naming conventions in the workbook.
All right, I finished updating that document. I think it's time for lunch. I just want to check Slack one more time. Oh, there's a new request or message in our Pluto request channel. Let me see if I can answer that quickly. Hi, I'm working on walking tours. I need to provision a new cloud database. Can you help?